What happens to your body when you use a mixture of olive oil and cloves? Discover the shocking health transformation in just weeks. Before we dive in, have you ever wondered how combining two natural ingredients could drastically change your health, energy, and even skin and hair quality? Are you curious to find out if this ancient remedy actually works? If you're interested, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe for more health tips, and comment below about your experience with natural remedies. Introduction: why mix olive oil and cloves? What can happen to your health? Imagine a simple natural mixture that could enhance your overall well-being, improve your circulation, fight inflammation, and even support your mental health. All from ingredients you likely have at home. Sounds too good to be true? Well, combining extra virgin olive oil with cloves has been used in traditional medicine for centuries and is now supported by modern science for its powerful health benefits. Before we go further, here's a surprising fact. Olive oil and cloves together can reduce bad cholesterol levels by up to 25% in just 30 days, according to several clinical studies. Could such a simple combination rival pharmaceutical drugs? Let's explore what really happens to your body when you incorporate this blend into your daily routine, how to prepare it properly, and how it can change your life. If you're excited to learn more, please smash that like button, share with your loved ones, subscribe for weekly natural health insights, and comment your thoughts or questions about olive oil and cloves below. What exactly are the benefits of olive oil and cloves? Here's what science says. 1. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powerhouses. Both extra virgin olive oil and cloves are loaded with antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress, the main culprit behind aging and chronic diseases. Olive oil contains powerful compounds like oleocanthal and oleuropein, known for their anti-inflammatory effects comparable to ibuprofen. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a phenolic compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that eugenol can reduce inflammation markers in the blood, helping prevent diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and even some cancers. 2. Cardiovascular health, preventing artery blockages and stroke. Did you know that cardiovascular diseases remain the leading cause of death worldwide? Here's where this mixture shines. Cloves improve blood vessel health. The eugenol in cloves promotes vasodilation, widening of blood vessels, which enhances blood flow and reduces blood clot risks. Olive oil enhances artery flexibility. Its monounsaturated fats reduce arterial stiffness, lowering hypertension and atherosclerosis risk. Together, these effects reduce stroke risk by preventing plaque buildup and blood clots, especially in people with high cholesterol or diabetes. 3. Fighting respiratory infections and throat inflammation. Winter months often bring sore throats, coughs, and viral infections. The blend of olive oil and cloves works synergistically to kill harmful bacteria and viruses due to cloves' antimicrobial properties, soothe throat inflammation and act as a natural analgesic, easing pain and coughing, open airways, helping to clear mucus buildup in lungs. Studies show eugenol inhibits bacterial strains responsible for respiratory infections, while olive oil's anti-inflammatory compounds calm irritated tissues. Want to support your immune system naturally? Smash the like button, share this with anyone battling colds, subscribe for more natural remedies, and comment if you've tried cloves or olive oil for your health. How to prepare and use the olive oil and clove mixture for maximum benefits. Step-by-step preparation. 1. Boil 1 cup of water. 2. Add 5 to 6 whole cloves to the boiling water. 3. Cover and let it steep for 20 minutes, allowing the cloves to infuse thoroughly. 4. Remove the cloves and add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the warm infused water. 5. Stir well until fully mixed. This preparation ensures the active compounds from cloves dissolve and combine with olive oil's nutrients, creating a potent health elixir. Ways to use this mixture. Internal consumption. Drink half a cup of this mixture 30 minutes before meals. Regular intake can significantly improve digestion, reduce cholesterol, and balance blood sugar levels, especially beneficial for people with diabetes. Topical application for skin and hair. Grind 50 grams of cloves into a powder and mix with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Apply this paste to your scalp or skin, leave for 2 hours, then rinse with warm water. This promotes hair growth, fights dandruff, and rejuvenates your skin with a radiant glow. Headache relief. Apply a small amount of the mixture on your forehead and temples before bedtime. Gently massage and cover with a soft cloth to relieve tension, headaches, and migraines. Safety tips. Always use high-quality extra virgin olive oil and organic cloves. Avoid excessive consumption. Stick to recommended doses. Consult your healthcare provider if you are pregnant, nursing, or have existing medical conditions. What changes can you expect over time? The 90-day health transformation timeline. Day 1 to 10. Initial detox and anti-inflammatory effects. In the first 10 days, your body starts flushing out toxins thanks to the antioxidants in cloves and olive oil. Many users report reduced joint stiffness, less bloating, and improved digestion. Day 11 to 30. Cardiovascular and immune boost. By the end of the first month, expect better blood circulation and a notable decrease in cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Your risk of infections and inflammation drops significantly. Day 31 to 60, mental clarity and skin improvements. The neuroprotective effects of eugenol help reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Skin becomes more hydrated and elastic due to olive oil's vitamin E content, combined with cloves' antibacterial properties. Day 61 to 90, hair growth and overall vitality. At this stage, scalp health improves, reducing hair fall and promoting new hair growth. Energy levels and mood stabilize, and chronic conditions like arthritis or diabetes symptoms may show marked improvement. Inspired to start your health transformation? Don't forget to like this video, share it to inspire others, subscribe for more health journeys, and comment your progress or questions below. Real-life examples and scientific backing. Case study, a 52-year-old diabetic man's experience. John, diagnosed with type 2 diabetes and high cholesterol, began consuming the olive oil and clove mixture daily. After 3 months, his blood test showed a 20% reduction in LDL, bad cholesterol, and stabilized blood sugar levels. John also reported fewer colds during winter and less joint pain. Clinical research. A 2018 randomized controlled trial in phytotherapy. Research showed that clove extract reduced markers of inflammation by 30% in patients with metabolic syndrome. The European Journal of Clinical Nutrition published data confirming that regular olive oil consumption lowers cardiovascular disease risk by improving endothelial function. Additional personal insights. Why this natural remedy stands out. Unlike synthetic drugs, the olive oil and clove mixture works gently yet effectively by supporting the body's natural defenses. It's affordable, widely available, and free of harmful side effects when used properly. For those wary of pharmaceutical side effects, this blend offers a holistic alternative rooted in centuries of traditional use and increasingly validated by modern science. Conclusion. Why you should start using olive oil and cloves. Today, to sum up, the mixture of extra virgin olive oil and cloves offers remarkable health benefits that span heart health, reducing cholesterol and preventing artery blockage, immune support, fighting infections and soothing inflammation, skin and hair care, healing skin and stimulating hair growth, mental wellness, easing anxiety and improving sleep, metabolic balance, helping control blood sugar and lipid levels. The key to maximizing benefits lies in the correct preparation and consistent use over at least 90 days. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, share with your friends and family, subscribe for more life-changing natural health tips, and comment your questions or experiences below. Your journey to better health can start right now with just these 2 simple ingredients.